All right, pizza night. Let's get this thing rolled out, get it in the pan, eat some pizza. All right, guys, slowly work this out. Cold dough will fight you worse than anything in your life. So you just got to slowly work it out. You want it to fit in this pan, so just keep working it out. That's all I can tell you. Just have some patience. You'll get it. Worst thing you can do is get mad at dough. Doesn't know any better. It's just dough. Remember when I first started out, just fighting with the dough. Got so mad, crumpled it up, threw it out. Patience. All right, finally got that spread over. Now we're gonna put some garlic salt on. And then we will lay out the pepperoni. Now the pepperoni's on, we will lay out our cheese. Make sure you put it around the edges. That's the important part of this pizza. The crispy edges. Then we will lay out another layer of pepperoni and some more sauce. Next, put on some parsley. All right, now it's time to put some of our sauce on. Do that in between each row of pepperoni as evenly as we can. All right, bottom rack, 550 degrees. Check on it in about 10 minutes. All right, let's take a look. It was in there for about 20 minutes. That's pretty good. All right, there it is. Can't wait to try it. Nice and caramelized on the edges. That's what we want. Should be pretty good. Crispy. All right, let's try it. All right, let's give it a try. Not my hot. Oh yeah, hot. It's really good. Definitely gonna try it again. Different pan, but caramelization on the edge of this, perfect.